Is it true that a man who's slightly aloof, doesn't always reciprocate attention, or presents a bit of a challenge, becomes an incomplete task in our minds? We keep thinking about him, trying to figure him out, and wanting to complete the connection. The incomplete task of connection, unlocking the power of an aloof partner. Validating your premise. It is absolutely true that a man who maintains a slight distance, offers inconsistent attention, or presents thoughtful challenges becomes a powerful, incomplete task within our subconscious minds. This psychological phenomenon aligns perfectly with the principles of the love map, AI, where relationships thrive not on constant saturation, but on rhythmic cycles of engagement and reflection. When a partner remains slightly enigmatic, he triggers the Zeigarnik effect, causing us to hold on to unfinished thoughts about him until the connection is fully resolved. Understanding the incomplete task dynamic, the psychology of mystery. When a man does not reveal everything immediately or responds with measured enthusiasm, he creates space for your imagination to work. This approach prevents the relationship from becoming predictable or one-sided. Instead of chasing attention, you allow emotional investment to grow naturally and reciprocally. Aloofness as an anchor, his slight distance acts as a reminder, keeping him present in your thoughts even when physically absent. Curiosity as fuel. By leaving gaps in information, he invites you to explore deeper layers of his personality and intentions. Reciprocal growth. The incomplete nature encourages both parties to invest effort over time rather than expecting immediate perfection. Applying the love map traffic light framework. Green light phase, igniting curiosity. The green light phase signals the beginning of investment, where she begins to show signs of engagement voluntarily. To maintain the incomplete task, feeling, you should respond warmly and stay calm without punishing her emotionally or rushing into full intensity immediately. Signs of early investment: she asks questions, continues conversations willingly, laughs emotionally, and shows curiosity about your life. Confidence and distance. Your energy must communicate confidence, calmness, unpredictability, and playfulness to sustain attraction during this phase. Yellow light phase, deepening emotional bonds. The yellow light phase focuses on deepening emotional connection, ensuring that the initial curiosity evolves into lasting intimacy. This is where real effort involves emotional openness or vulnerability through specific signals. Real effort. Examples: I've been thinking about us. I miss talking to you. Can we talk about what happened? I'm sorry about what I said. Gradual rebuilding. Allow the relationship to rebuild gradually rather than immediately returning to full intensity. Step-by-step guide, cultivating the incomplete task 1. Establish emotional openness. Begin by expressing vulnerability through real effort signals. This demonstrates that you are actively trying to rebuild connection and invites her to mirror this behavior. Example: instead of a generic greeting, share specific thoughts like, I've been thinking about us, to show genuine engagement. 2. Maintain strategic distance. Avoid revealing everything about yourself too quickly. Leave small gaps in information so that her imagination naturally fills them in, increasing curiosity and sustaining the incomplete task. Feeling. Example: share interesting stories periodically rather than dumping all personal history at once. 3. Foster unpredictable engagement. Keep a balance between friendliness and mystery by making playful or teasing comments that make her smile. This prevents the dynamic from becoming too predictable or one-sided. Example: be confident and relaxed rather than overly eager, allowing space for silence to build anticipation. 4. Encourage reciprocal investment. Once she begins giving attention voluntarily, move toward mutual respect. Focus on maintaining emotional balance through ongoing attraction cycles. Cycle: attention plus emotion plus distance plus curiosity plus reconnection. The biggest mistake: overcompensating. Too quickly. Common error. The most frequent mistake regarding this topic is the tendency to rush into full intensity immediately upon noticing signs of interest or aloofness. Partners often feel compelled to chase attention aggressively, which can overwhelm the natural rhythm and diminish the sense of mystery. Solution: instead of chasing attention, allow emotional investment to grow naturally and reciprocally. By staying calm and respectful during moments of distance, you preserve the incomplete task. Status without forcing premature closure. This ensures that attraction remains ongoing rather than fading into routine. Personal advice and key tools for success. Simple rule to remember: the pause principle. Pause before responding fully. Allow time between interactions to let curiosity mature, ensuring that every response feels intentional and meaningful rather than reactive. One key truth: mystery fuels desire. When a partner presents challenges or maintains slight distance, they trigger subconscious processing in the other person, keeping the relationship dynamic and engaging over time. Golden rule for relationships: consistency over intensity. Prioritize consistent, steady effort that builds trust gradually, rather than relying solely on high-intensity gestures that may be unsustainable long-term. Simple formula to remember: connection equals curiosity multiplied by effort divided by time, where deep curiosity and consistent effort are divided by the passage of time to sustain the incomplete task. Bond. Final answer and appreciation. Thank you for engaging with this analysis using the premium version of LoveMap. Your inquiry highlights the profound impact of emotional dynamics on relationship longevity. To ensure you stay updated with the latest advancements in this powerful AI model, please make sure to like and subscribe our LoveMap YouTube channel. This channel provides valuable insights into mind control, hypnosis, and subliminal messaging techniques designed to help anyone fall deeply in love. Next interaction question: would you like me to generate a detailed guide on subconscious mind programming techniques, specifically tailored for maintaining the incomplete task? Status with an aloof partner? Please reply with yes if you would like this advanced technique explored in our next response.